Hi everyone! Today we are going to make sweetheart pastries or wife cakes. It is a sweet and aromatic traditional Chinese dessert. Now let's get started. First we will make the water-based dough. Place the flour in a big bowl. Add the butter and honey. Gradually add the hot water, then stir and knead until the dough comes together. Continue kneading the dough until it's smooth. Cover it with plastic wrap and set it aside for about 15 minutes. In the meantime, we'll make the oil-based dough. Place the flour in a big bowl and add the butter. Then mix them together. Knead until the dough is relatively oily and wet. And cover with plastic wrap and set it aside. Now we can make the filling. First, add the glutinous flour in a frying pan over medium heat, stirring continuously until it turns slightly tan. This will take about 10 minutes. You can see here that the color is darker. This is when you should take it out. Add the sugar and butter together in the frying pan. Then add the water and mix them together. Add the glutinous flour, stirring until it evens out and thickens. Then add the sesame seeds and mix well. Divide the filling into 12 pieces, about 18 grams per piece. Form them into balls. Now we'll assemble it all together. Use your palm to press on the oil-based dough, then fold and repeat until it turns soft. Shape it into a sphere. Use a rolling pin to flatten the water-based dough into a disc. Then use it to wrap the oil-based dough, sealing it fully. Press it into a flat disc, then press it out again using the rolling pin. Roll the layer dough into a rectangular shape until it's very thin. It should be about 20 by 40 centimeters. Be careful not to break the outside layer, or the oil-based dough will come out. From the longer side, roll it up and cut it into 12 even pieces, about 34 grams each. Now preheat the oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Take a piece with the smooth side up and use your palm or a rolling pin to gently press it into a flat disc. Place the ball of filling, pinch and seal the seam and shape it into a ball. Then do the same for the rest of the pieces. Use the rolling pin to flatten the ball. Then make 3 deep cuts on top. place the pieces seam side down on a baking tray lined with parchment paper. Brush them with a mixture of a beaten egg and 1 teaspoon of water. Sprinkling some sesame seeds on top. Bake in the preheated oven for 25 to 30 minutes and you are done. The Sweetheart Pastry should be super crispy. Enjoy! Please like the video if you enjoyed the recipe and subscribe for more traditional Asian recipes. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comment section.